Artificial intelligence and robotics are evolving at an unprecedented rate. We now have robots that can think, learn, adapt, and even express emotions. Some are built to assist in industries, while others mimic human-like interactions. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the most cutting-edge AI robots that are redefining innovation. Let's begin. Number 9. Atlas by Boston Dynamics. Atlas is one of the most famous humanoid robots in the world. Developed by Boston Dynamics, this robot is capable of running, jumping, performing backflips, and even navigating rough terrain. What makes Atlas stand out is its advanced AI-driven motion system, which allows it to process environments in real time and make complex movements with agility. Its ability to maintain balance while moving dynamically sets it apart from other robots. Boston Dynamics envisions Atlas being used for search and rescue missions, disaster relief, and military applications. By integrating deep learning and reinforcement learning, Atlas continues to evolve, demonstrating how humanoid robots could be useful in environments where human intervention is risky or difficult. Number 8. Ameca, the most expressive humanoid robot. If you've ever wanted to see a robot that looks and behaves almost like a human, meet Ameca. Developed by Engineered Arts, Ameca is the world's most advanced humanoid robot in terms of facial expressions and social interaction. Powered by AI, Ameca can recognize human emotions, respond accordingly, and even engage in conversations. What sets Ameca apart is its hyper-realistic facial structure, which enables it to smile, frown, raise its eyebrows, and even express surprise. The robot is built to be a platform for future AI advancements in human-robot interaction. Industries such as customer service, entertainment, and even elder care could benefit from Ameca's ability to create meaningful and engaging human-like interactions. This robot is an impressive step toward a future where AI companions may seamlessly integrate into everyday life. Number 7. Tesla Optimus, the AI-powered worker robot. Elon Musk's Tesla is not just about electric cars. The Tesla Optimus robot is designed to take over dangerous, repetitive, and boring jobs that humans currently perform. Standing at 5 feet 8 inches tall, Optimus is equipped with AI and sensors to recognize objects and navigate spaces. Unlike traditional industrial robots, Optimus is designed to be adaptable to various environments, learning from human actions and continuously improving its tasks. Tesla aims for these robots to perform household chores, work in factories, and assist in logistics. With full self-driving AI integration, Optimus can operate with minimal human intervention, making it a potential game-changer for industries looking to automate labor-intensive work. Number 6. Sophia, the robot citizen. Sophia, developed by Hanson Robotics, is the first robot in history to be granted citizenship by a country, Saudi Arabia. She is known for her lifelike facial expressions, speech capabilities, and ability to hold conversations. Sophia has been interviewed on global platforms, discussing AI ethics and the future of robotics. Unlike other robots, Sophia utilizes advanced neural networks and natural language processing, making her interactions feel natural and engaging. Hanson Robotics designed her with an AI system that constantly improves her understanding of human emotions and social cues. In the future, Sophia could be used in healthcare as a robotic companion for the elderly or in educational environments to assist students in learning. Number 5. Robotic Arm AI by Fanuc, the future of industrial automation. Fanuc, a leading company in industrial robotics, has developed AI-powered robotic arms that are revolutionizing manufacturing. These robotic arms can perform precise tasks such as welding, assembling, and packaging without human intervention. Powered by machine learning, they continuously optimize their performance, increasing efficiency in automotive, electronics, and logistics industries. Unlike traditional manufacturing robots, FANUC's AI-driven models can self-diagnose potential failures, reducing downtime in production lines. This predictive maintenance ability ensures smooth operation in high-demand industries. As automation continues to expand, robotic arms like those developed by FANUC will likely play a crucial role in shaping the future of smart factories and fully autonomous production lines. Number 4. Pepper, the friendly AI robot. Pepper, developed by SoftBank Robotics, is a humanoid robot designed for human interaction. Unlike other robots, Pepper is programmed to detect emotions and respond accordingly. It has been deployed in banks, airports, and hospitals, where it assists customers and provides information. What makes Pepper unique is its ability to interpret facial expressions, tone of voice, and gestures, making interactions feel more natural and personalized. SoftBank has worked on upgrading Pepper's AI to make it even more adaptable in different work environments, from guiding visitors in public spaces to assisting in educational programs. The ability of Pepper to bridge the gap between technology and human emotions highlights the growing role of AI robots in everyday interactions. Number 3. Asimo by Honda, the pioneer of humanoid robotics. Before Tesla Optimus and Amica, there was Asimo. Developed by Honda, Asimo is one of the earliest humanoid robots capable of walking, running, and even climbing stairs. Asimo's AI allows it to recognize faces, understand voice commands, and interact with humans. Unlike many modern robots, Asimo was built with a strong focus on mobility and balance, making it an excellent research model for future exoskeletons and robotic assistance devices. Although Honda has retired Asimo's development, its technology serves as a foundation for modern humanoid robotics. Some of its advancements, such as bipedal locomotion and voice recognition, continue to be implemented in modern AI-driven robotic systems. Number 2. Spot by Boston Dynamics, the four-legged robot. Spot is not your typical humanoid robot, but is one of the most advanced AI-driven machines. This robotic dog can walk, climb stairs, carry payloads, and even perform security checks. Spot has been used in various industries, including construction, law enforcement, and military operations. Number 1. A robot surgeon, the future of medical robotics. At number 1, we have AI-powered robotic surgeons. Robots like Da Vinci Surgical System are revolutionizing the medical field by performing complex surgeries with extreme precision. With AI and machine learning, these robotic surgeons assist doctors in reducing human error and improving patient outcomes. Unlike human surgeons, robotic systems can operate with micromillimeter accuracy, reducing damage to surrounding tissues. And that wraps up our list of the 9 most advanced AI robots shaping the future. From humanoid robots with emotions to industrial machines, revolutionizing manufacturing, AI, and robotics continue to evolve rapidly. Which robot amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic tech content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.